morning, students. Today, the table content is how to declare constants in PHP. Then we have different types of PHP string functions and different types of data types. So let's see one by one how to declare constant. We have constant like string. We have to declare constant numbers, and we have also constant array. We have different PHP string functions, and we have different data types. So let's see one by one. Okay, initially first we have to start with the services of XAMPP. Always make a habit to start the services of XAMPP whenever you start with PHP programming. So I start with the services of XAMPP, that is my Apache and my SQL. Okay, I've started with the services. Next thing is I go to my Visual Studio Code. I go to my Visual Studio Code. Okay, first we will learn how to declare constant in PHP. We can declare constant as string, we can declare constant as number, and also we can declare constant as array. So let's see one by one how to declare constant. Okay, I take one file, for example, constant. Okay, constant is my file. I start with PHP. Okay, I will just print one line, that is declaration of constant in PHP, and one new line, that is my br tag. Okay, now for example, I have to declare constant. So for declaring constant, there is one inbuilt function that is called as define. Okay, define is inbuilt function. Okay, for example, I want the variable a as value for variable as hello. Okay, ending with semicolon. Okay, define is my inbuilt function for declaring any constant. A is my variable. For example, I want value of variable a as hello, so it will be constant for variable a as hello value throughout my program. So just I will check, I will just write you this in my comment. Variable a with constant value hello. Just we will check this program whether runs or not. I just take my one more as echo and I type a. Okay, and ending my PHP tag. I save my program. I will go to my browser. Okay, first I will check whether my XAMPP is running or not successfully. I want to just check my dashboard of XAMPP, that is http://localhost. Okay, my XAMPP is working properly. Okay, my folder name is bca and my file name is constant.php, and I press enter. Okay, so it is showing me the value of a as hello, that is I've given in my code. Now for example, I have to give, this was my string, for example I want to give number. Okay, for example I want the value of a as 2. I save my program. Let's see whether it works or not. I reload my page. Okay, it is showing me 2. Okay, now if I want the value in decimal, for example I take a variable called as pi, and my value of pi is 3.14. I save my program. I go to my browser. And I just reload my page. Okay, it is showing something like constant a. This is an error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, we have declared a. It should be pi. I save my program. Again, I go to my browser and I reload my page. So it is showing me 3.14. Okay, whatever variable you are declaring, call that variable in echo, else it will give you error. So this is nothing but declaration. It is constant declaration by the method define for string, for variable, for string, for number, and for decimal. So this is the easiest way to declare constant. Okay, now if I want to declare constant array, so what is the method for declaring constant array? I take the same inbuilt function that is defined. I take an array, for example, cars, comma, and my values. That is, for example, I take alpha, comma, I take BMW, comma, one more I take, for example, Toyota. Okay, and I will just check whether this runs or not. I go to echo and I just call cars, and for example at 0 index. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. I go to my program browser and I just reload my page. Okay, so it is showing me alpha because alpha is at 0 index, so it is showing me alpha. If I change the index as 1, I save my program, I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So at the index 1 we have BMW. Similarly, if I change the index as 2, at 2 index it is Toyota. Let's see whether it gives. Yes, it is giving me Toyota. So this is the declaration of array constant in PHP. Okay, now next topic that we have is declaration of PHP string functions. Okay, now we have inbuilt string functions for PHP. Let's see. Okay, so first one we have, that is to find the length of the string. So we will use string length. How to find the length of the string? I just type echo. The function that is used to find the string length is strlen. Okay, that is string length. To find the string length, and for example I write hello ending with semicolon. Okay, so let's see what is the output. I save my program and I just reload my page. So it is showing me 5. Okay, so 5 is the length. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so string length is a function strlen that counts how many letters are in a particular word. That is my string length. Now second one is we have to count number of words. Okay, we have to count number of words in a string. Okay, so the inbuilt function to count number of words in a string is str underscore word underscore count. Okay, so in this it will count the number of words. For example, I give hello world, hello. So we have 3 words in this. Just we will check this program. I save my program, I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So it is showing me that we have 3 words in my particular string. Okay, so string word count is an inbuilt function to count the number of words in a particular string. Now next one is if we want to reverse a string. Okay, if we want to reverse a string in PHP, so the function inbuilt function to reverse the string is nothing but strrev. Strrev is a function, inbuilt function to reverse a string. Just we will check. I save my program. Let's see what is the output. Okay, so it is giving me reverse hello. Okay, so this is string reverse function to reverse a particular string. Now next one we have, that is string to find the string position. String position. The inbuilt function to find the string position is strpos. Okay, now suppose I want to find my string is hello world, and I want to find the position of the word, the letter W. I want to find the position of letter W. So I've given the string, comma, the letter for which you have to find the position. Okay, I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So it is showing me 6. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the letter W is at 6th position. That's why it is giving me output as W is 6. Okay, space is not counted in this, please remember. Now next one is last one, that is we have to replace any string. If we want to replace any string, so the function that is used to replace any string is str underscore replace, replace, replace. For example, now this is my hello world. Okay, the word which I want to replace, okay, with another word, and this is my string. Okay, now see everyone, look here at the screen. I want to replace world with ABC in my string hello world. Okay, so first is my word that I want to replace with, second is my another word for which I want, and this is my string. So I will just save my program. I will go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So it is showing hello ABC. So ABC is replaced, okay, world is replaced with ABC. World is replaced with ABC. Okay, so this is my string replace function. Now the last topic of today's table is to see different types of data types, that is PHP data types. So I will start one by one. First one is string. I will just declaration of PHP data types. Okay, this is already done, but I'm just taking a revision of this. First one is string. Everyone knows if we want to declare a string, for example, I take $A and I write hello, and I just call my $A ending with semicolon. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So this is string data type. Okay. Now next is if I want integer data type. Okay. For example, I declare $A as 223, and if I want to check the data type of this $A. So there is one inbuilt function to check the data type in PHP, that is var dump, in bracket I just give $A ending with semicolon. I save my program and I will just check the output. Okay, so it is showing me that it is an integer and the data type is 220. Data type is integer and the value is 223 for my variable A. Next one we have, if we want to check any decimal value. Okay, so I just give 10.5 and let's see what is the output. So it is showing that it is a floating point data type with value 10.5. So this is an inbuilt function that checks the data type of particular variable, the value that is given. Okay, we can check for array also. For example, I declare one array as star equal to array. In this I give value, for example, Volvo, I give BMW, and I give Toyota, ending with semicolon. Okay, now just I will check var underscore dump, and in bracket my variable that is $car, ending with semicolon. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload my page. Okay, So now see what is the output. Array with three values. Okay, we have given three values, that is Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Now at my zero index, we have a string with five letters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Volvo is with five letters. Okay, then at index 1 we have BMW with three letters, and in index 2 we have Toyota with six letter. Okay, all are string, so it is showing me string. So this is nothing but to find the values by using inbuilt function, that is write down for an array. Last one we have, that is called as null. Okay, null means nothing, no value. If I want, for example, I take a variable as $x hello. Again, I declare one variable as $x equal to null, ending with semicolon. And if I'm just checking where underscore dump with my $x. Okay, first I've declared the value of $x as hello, but again I've declared the value of $x equal to null, and I want to check what is the data type for $x. I save my program, I go to my browser, and I will just reload my page. So it is showing me null. Okay, so null, again it is a data type which is giving me value of x equal to null. Okay, so today this was the content of table. We have seen declaring of constant for string, for numbers, and for array. Then we have seen different types of PHP functions, and we have seen how to see the data type in PHP. Okay, thank you.